Good morning, guys. I will make my breakfast because I cut the edge of my bread. I did not show you, so I will make my own breakfast. This one I take out already, and now I will put the butter inside. Put the butter inside. This is butter. Peanut butter, I mean. This is the peanut butter. So, just easy. When my alaga is a child, this is her favorite. Now, I doesn't like much peanut butter, so I just put in the one side bread, and then cover it. That's it. And now I will pour beaten egg on the bread. Kasi chopstick. Hindi ako gumamit ng tong. I did not use the tong. So I will use the chopstick. It's easy. You just put on the beaten egg until the bread is covered. Then use the pan for fry. Some use the butter or margarine, but I don't have butter in home, so I will use only the oil, cooking oil. Forget, I just cook the sandwich of my employer, so that's no need to. I want to very hot pan. Easy to fry it hot. That is the egg, because I just cook the egg sandwich for my boss, so no need to wash. If the oil is very hot, so I can fry my bread. This is my bread. It's easy. Make a low fire, so that's not easy to burn. Finish the egg sandwich. Kung tong hindi mahirap gawa, pero okay lang kay I can manage to use the chopstick. that's it. And now I will use this is my breakfast. Sorry. Wala kasi itong hirap pag chopstick. So now, I will show you how. You can use the two-quart with the honey or the condensed milk. So I'm planning to use a honey. Ay, hard to open. This siya. Pok, pok, pok. Hindi talaga. Ay, ano ba ito? Ang tigas. Ang hirap. Ito, kay ano ka muna sa file. Hindi ka ma-open na. Kasi hindi talaga. Ay, ano ba? So, ka nag-open. I will use the condensed milk. Gusto ko sana yung honey. Condensed milk. Ano ba? Gusto ko sana yung honey kasi simple healthy. Hindi ko ma-open. Kaya ko naman sobrang tamis. Okay. That's it. And I will prepare my coffee. Of the exhaust fan. So I will use the coffee. You know, Philippine. Okay. My coffee. I will mix with 1 teaspoon of Ovaltine. Only 1 teaspoon. This. Okay guys, enjoy my breakfast. Basta nakapamahaw. hangin pa naman lang. Ano ba to? Yung water dispenser is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 99% on. Ano nga nakatalsik kayo mo yahaw? Ang bango. Okay guys, have a breakfast. Wait then, calling siya. Na another ko pa naman na nga tinloon kay na Missy. Diri hindi mo na saya mabayaan. Ay, kung mabayaan mo, lipatan mo na igo na dayon. Okay, come on. Naway pa siya nakapang tidy up. Hindi pa naka-tidy up. Nakon gasulop light ka Kit. May katawag. Bye bye guys. Hindi pa na tidy up ang kag mag-game na siya Okay. Nga katalikod ka tissue. Ang tissue ko katalikod. Okay, bye.